If you enjoy the great outdoors, you need to equip your new or existing vehicle with accessories built for an adventurous lifestyle. With a Rhino-Rack, you can transport what you need where you need it. They are the world's most useful roof racks. Built for fun or work, every Rhino-Rack is made with premium materials and precision built to exacting standards. This means that your new roof rack will not only provide additional cargo capacity, it'll also complement the looks of your vehicle. They're also easy to use, with design touches that make storing and transporting your gear effortless. When you're heading out, you're seeking adventure. You don't want to be held back by inefficient or poorly built gear. The Cruiser bike carrier transports up to 4 bikes, enough for the whole family. It's installed into a standard towing receiver and features a toolless design for easy access to the trunk of your vehicle without having to remove the bike carrier. Fold it down to avoid accidents when not loaded. Worried about damaging your bike from low clearances? Add an aerial. It's easy to use. Simply fold it up when transporting bikes on a roof rack. Need some other automotive cargo solution? Rhino-Rack makes hundreds of products, with fitments for almost every vehicle. Thanks to AutoGear from AutoNation, you can now order your new car or truck with a cargo solution from Rhino-Rack straight from the dealer. You can even roll the cost into your auto loan for easy monthly payments. Already have a vehicle? No problem. With AutoGear, you can add a Rhino-Rack to your existing vehicle. Come in and we'll show you how. To learn all about Rhino-Rack options and to pick out your next vehicle, visit your local AutoNation dealer. Get started at AutoNation.com today.